Okay, so we're doing a teardown of the WK2 diesel fuel pump. There's currently a recall, I believe it's globally, for internal failure of this, so we're kind of curious as to why. We haven't actually seen any of them fail in our shop, so I want to see how it works. It's kind of a bit of a learning exercise. We've never stripped one, how it works, and why would there be a recall in place for it. It says to put the flat blade in there and just reef on it till it breaks. It does not, it's a lie. No, it's not. All right. So we're looking into why has Jeep recalled these pumps. To start with, how do they work? It's basically, this meshes with a timing chain and spins this camshaft, which has two lobes. Running on those lobes is this, basically a massive version of the lifter that the V8s run, should sit that way, I think. That's obviously metal on metal friction that is lubricated by the diesel fuel itself. So what we have seen from researching some of our friends in the US who are rebuilding these is apparently this can wear out to the point that these lobes wear out the same way that we're seeing in the Hemi V8s or the 3.6 Pentastar engines. Yeah. And in some cases, apparently this turns 90 degrees and you end up with a massive groove in this, which that in itself is not a huge problem, except that that then has that fine metal powder go into your fuel system, and then it messes up your fuel injectors. So apparently there's an alternative design available in the US that uses bushes and not a cam on a lifter type arrangement. But anyway, that was a bit of fun. What we have discovered here in Australia, we've probably done over 1,000 Jeeps in the last couple of years easily. Not one has had a failed fuel pump. So I suspect there's something different about the fuels being used in Australia, or the diesels being used rather, and other parts of the world, because we haven't seen this here. Maybe some of the other Jeep shops have seen it, but we haven't. There you go. It was a bit of fun.